Hi, welcome to Basic English. In today's episode, I have a new phrase for you. Taboo. Do you know what does it mean? Let's find out what does it mean and how we can use it in our daily conversation. Taboo, which basically means something that isn't allowed or permitted in a society. অথবা আমরা বলতে পারি কোনো কাজ যেটা আমাদের সমাজে নিষিদ্ধ। যেমন সেক্স এডুকেশন অথবা মেয়েদের পিরিয়ড নিয়ে কথা বলাটা আমাদের সমাজে ট্যাবু বা নিষিদ্ধ। যখন এই বিষয়গুলো নিয়ে প্রকাশ্যে কথা বলতে যাওয়া হয় তখন সবাই শুনতে দ্বিধাবোধ করে অথবা শুনতে চায় না। Let's look at some example for better understanding. Example 1. Using slang word in a school is a taboo. Example 2. Sex education are still considered a taboo in our country. Example 3. Drinking alcohol publicly is considered to be a taboo in our country. Example 4. Asking someone about their personal income and asset is a taboo in our society. Example 5. Smoking cigarette for women in our society is a taboo. The last one we have. Public display of affection and emotion is considered as a taboo in many cultures.